Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the Abode wireless video doorbell, a budget-friendly option that promises great value and some handy features. Let's dive into the details and see if it's worth considering for your home. The Abode wireless video doorbell comes with a doorbell and a wireless chime, making it a complete package. It's a battery-powered doorbell, and you can charge it via its USB-C port on the rear. While it lacks the option for trickle charging like some other models, its wireless setup makes it easy to install and use. Installation is a breeze. Just screw the doorbell mount to your door, clip the doorbell in place. Plug in the wireless chime, and use the Abode app to connect both to your account. Simple and straightforward. The Abode wireless video doorbell works smoothly without a plan, sending motion alerts to your phone and allowing you to receive incoming rings. It triggers the internal chime in your phone quickly, thanks to its efficient performance. For more advanced features, you'll need an Abode subscription. The standard plan offers 7 days of recording history, along with advanced motion detection features. However, it lacks activity zones, which may be a downside for some users. The video quality is good with its 1080p resolution and a 160 degrees field of view. It captures clear images during the day, but night footage is in black and white due to IR lights. While it performs well for people standing at the door, it may lack some clarity as a security camera for distant objects. Overall, the Abode wireless video doorbell is a decent budget-friendly option, especially if you already have an Abode security system. It saves you from paying for another cloud subscription, making it a cost-effective choice. However, if you don't have an Abode system, there are other cheap alternatives to consider, like the Ring Video Doorbell 2nd Gen or the subscription-free Eufy Video Doorbell 2K. Thanks for watching this review on the Abode wireless video doorbell. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech and smart home reviews. See you next time.